Xelluxers. This is Xellux Technology Class Overview, Nigeria. So we actually go deeper in this particular class every student to understand the concept. So this we actually build a salary dashboard here. So we use all this particular salary dashboard, the salary here. We use textbooks and slicer to actually create this. Then we created two bar charts here. Then we create donut chart, funnel, then column chart and line chart. So it's really amazing class. This particular chart, the chart you're seeing here, is deeply formatted. So that is from beginner to advanced formatting, so that the student can be able to understand the concept. Actually, it takes us 3 hours, 30 minutes to do this. Why? So that the student will be able to understand deeply in this particular formatting. This is not just a mere formatting. This is a very deep formatting in understanding the proper way actually formatting, so that the visual be able to appeal to the board members or your boss or any person that's already in charge. You can see it's so simple yet but deeper. Then we also use Power Query to actually transform our data. So because the particular data set is actually very huge. It's a very big data set of salary dashboard. It's really amazing class. So let's see what is actually interactive. If I click on the contract now, it will give us the overview. You can see what we are talking about. So the contract is 95 here. So we can see the salary trend in 300k here. In year 2021 it went up, then it goes down in year 2023 here, and you can see the expert, what the expert is making for 1.6. So that's what we say here. So if I click it back, so let me actually drag this slicer here. So to format it, this 2021, this 2021 data. If I drag it here, so we see more. Okay, this you can see now this 2022. Then we have the 2023 data here. So this is actually a deep formatting here. Let me take it back. So it's actually deep one. It's actually deep one. So Nigerian PowerBI, beginner to advanced kind of formatting. That's what we did here. Very light data set. So we actually break down from contract, part-time, freelance, and full-time. Then you can see the salary by company size, salary by employment type and experience. Then we actually format this particular top 5 salary by job title. We use a kind of formatting here. This particular one here, this is what we use to actually format our data to pick the. So we use the top end, we pick our top 5. We use the average salary. Then we apply the filter. So it's a really amazing class. The students actually enjoy themselves. They actually understand this to the core. That is why we take hours to actually do it. 3 hours, 30 minutes. No need to rush it, because it is a skill set that needs to be used in the real world. So thank you all for actually participate in this particular amazing class today. I would say Xellux Technology, thank you for contacting us, taking course with us. We always give you the best, as often we always do that. We ensure you actually understand anything we are actually training you. This is our premium course. We have our YouTube channel. You can go there, take a free course there. But if you want to take our premium course, you can contact us. Go to our website, www.xelluxtechnologies.com. And we also have our partner company, Xellux Tech Job Link. So actually created, kind of gave our students a placement of job, even our non-students also a placement of job. Then we have Xellux Tech Questify, that will actually deals with interviews. So we actually got our partners to deal with interviews, so that when you actually gain employment and they schedule for interview, so we'll be able to go to that website. That is Xellux Technology Questify. You can go to Xellux Technology page to actually have access this, but our partner company. So this is Xellux Technology. Thank you once again, Nigerian students. I will say light out.